Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now there haven't been any videos in a while, but today that is all gonna change. Today's vlog topic is making an app for an iPhone. I'm gonna tell you how I'm learning to do that and how you can also start to learn that, because there is a lack of developers in the world, and if you like apps, iPhones and technology, this may be a perfect kind of opportunity, I should say, for you. So yeah, we are in the same position. I started learning. Here is my laptop. You can see here Xcode. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you more exactly now. So my laptop of choice is MacBook Air 2015, late 2015. It was refreshed in 2015. It got a new graphic chips from Intel. Now, the program where we will be today building an app is called Welcome to Xcode, and we are gonna not build an app. I'm gonna show you something, at least something. So um, over there you have Xcode. So it is a free software that you can use to make iPhone apps, and you can download it from the Mac App Store that is over there. So when you open Xcode, this window will pop up and it says get started with Playground, and Playground is a place where you test code, and below that it says create a new Xcode project. So in that you're gonna create your app from zero to publishing to App Store. So let's click create a new Xcode project. So guys, this is the Xcode project loaded up, and I really can't explain everything to you because I'm just learning and I'm not that really good at explaining, but what I can do is do my best and show you. So this is your storyboard. You create a layout here, and you have various different elements, for example a label over there. So we are gonna drag a label over here, and this label is gonna show us how many times we click a certain button that I'm gonna add into the project. So I just changed the label to 0 because it's gonna be a counting label, and you can see it changed to 0. Now we are gonna search for a button. Button is also a part of UI kit, which is user interface kit. So button, UI button, and we're just gonna drag it over here. And I'm gonna change the what button says. So I'm gonna say click me. Okay, click me, and you can see it kinda says that. I'm gonna try. Okay, it says click me. So the label and the button are now connected to the storyboard, and I'm ready to connect those elements through code so I can do stuff to them. And yeah, so the label can count how much times I have pressed click me button. So now we have our storyboard, our layout for the app over here, and code over here. Now I'm gonna create a new property for the button. So I'm gonna connect it, control and drag, and connection is gonna be action because we're gonna tapping the button, and the name is count button. Okay, and click connect. We have connected button. And for the 0 label, excuse me, I'm gonna do the same. So control, click my trackpad and drag it over here, and connection is outlet and name is label simply. Okay, connect. So we have this line of code and this line of code. So let's just create a new variable, and variables are things you assign into. So if I want a number, I will say var number is equals to 0, and this is going to be a number that is going to be changing when we tap on the button, and that code is going to be over here in the curly braces from the button code. So inside this chunk of code for the button, I have written label.text equals string and number. So it says so basically, if you don't understand anything of this code, I can translate this to this. So text of the label is equal to the number, and string it says because number is an number, and this property called text only accepts strings, which are a piece of text. So this is why. And the number plus equals 1, and this plus equals 1 is a Swift syntax for adding something to something. So number is declared over here, var number equals 0 and 0 plus 1. So we are going to run the app, and I'm going to show you how it works. So guys, Xcode contains this really handy feature called the simulator, and it contains all of the Apple latest devices. And currently I am running on iPhone SE iOS 10.3. So here is our app, the click me button, and when I click the button, the label updates, so you can see up there. And basically in Xcode you have this folder called assets, and inside here you insert your custom images, and instead of this piece of text you can insert an image to be button. So I can say thumbs up image, so it represents a like button, and when you click it, it will count how many times have you clicked it. So this is basically the story of a like button. Now guys, I'm not sure how I mentioned, but I'm learning this app building stuff through a online course called CodeWithChris.com, and basically Chris is a developer who started the whole thing, and this is not promotion, I'm just telling you. If you want, you can check it out on YouTube. There is a free tutorials for the first app, and if you want to continue, you have to pay for the full course, which includes an intermediate course, and it is about $180. I know it is expensive, but if you're really interested, it is gonna be probably worth it. So that is it for this part of today's vlog. I hope you learned something, and yeah, so it's not a promotion, I'm just telling you. And now let's go and have some fun with the drone. So guys, bad news. I'm really sorry, but the drone doesn't have any space on the SD card. Basically, just before I came here at home, I was deleting almost everything from the SD card. I deleted 200 videos, and it does not allow me to film it. It's something weird. Okay, so I'm gonna go back home and try to delete something more from the card. I mean, almost everything is deleted, and this is a 64 gig card. So yeah, and yeah, I have these carbon fiber ones, and here is the normal one because one broke. So yeah, let's go home, unfortunately, and do it. But first, I want to show you the marina because you deserve to have a look. So down there is a store, restaurant, and the reception, and basically a lot of nice boats, especially that one, the big yacht. And down there is the cafe, it is lounge bar, I mean, and just look at that building, it is insane, amazing. So guys, just arrived home after that hugely unsuccessful drone flight. Something is really weird with the SD card, so I put a new one in the drone. Everything works perfectly fine, and basically the wind I was talking about has calmed down a bit, so it was sun is out, really nice weather, so the footage is, I think, really nice. So I'll play it for you, but first, thank you for watching this vlog, and in tomorrow's vlog I will show you something very cool. I may give you a preview of that right now. I'm looking at it, so yeah. Oh yeah, I will show you.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It
tomorrow's vlog I will show you this machine in more detail. Basically, this is a perfect 3D printer for the beginners. It is called M3D, and yeah, look how small it is. I can lift it with my hand, but it can print objects up to 14 millimeters, 14 centimeters high, so extremely cool. Thank you very much for watching this vlog, and stay tuned for tomorrow's to find more about this awesome machine.